F. Build the letter F. F.
Outstanding!
F.
Super cool!
Congratulations! You built the letter F. 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 Match the letter with its shape. F.
Hooray!
Build the animal.
Very good! Perfect! Great job! You did it!
Hooray! F is for flamingo. F is for flamingo. Drag the pictures to the right place.
Outstanding!
F is for feather.
Great job!
F is for four.
That's it!
F is for fan. Awesome! F is for feather. F is for fan. F is for four. Drag the pictures back to their place. F. F is for fan. F is for four. F is for feather. F is for flag. Great job! You did it! F. F is for four. F is for feather. F is for flag. F is for fan. Build the letter G. G.
You did it!
G.
That's it!
G.
Very
G.
good! Great job!
Great work! This is the letter G. 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 Match the letter with its shape. G.
You did it!
Build the animal.
Great job! Hooray! You did it!
Super cool! G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. Drag the pictures to the right place.
Perfect!
G is for grapes.
Very good!
G is for girl.
Perfect!
G is for guitar. Amazing! G is for grapes. G is for girl. G is for guitar. Drag the pictures back to their place. G. G is for goose. G is for gift. G is for girl. G is for guitar. Great job! G. G is for goose. G is for gift. G is for girl. G is for guitar.